Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming exact device model and build This Matters for compatibility. Once done, back up everything to cloud or a PC so you can restore later. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging. Make sure the bootloader is unlocked if the rollback method needs it. These steps let you connect tools and flash images safely. Do not skip checks. Mismatched firmware or a locked bootloader can brick the phone, so verify ID and storage before proceeding. Now you get the correct firmware image and flashing tools. Use only official builds matched to your model and region, and verify checksums to avoid corrupted files. Install platform tools and the vendor's drivers, for example Fastboot for most Android or Odin for some OEM. Reboot the phone into download or fastboot mode and connect it by USB so the PC recognizes the device. Once detected, you're ready to send commands. This prevents partial flashes and other mid-process failures. Flash the firmware components exactly in the vendor-specified order and include wipes like cache or Dalvik art when instructed. These steps avoid boot loops. Once flashing finishes, reboot and verify the system version matches the target build, then restore your backup and relock the bootloader if you prefer locked security. If something goes wrong, grab error logs, try a different USB port/cable, re-download the image to fix corruption, or contact OEM support. Those are the fastest recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.